Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Mek's Journey here, PlannergirlMek on Instagram. Today we are working on the week of October 11th through the 17th, and we are using the Autumn Tail Kit by PrintPettiCoatBandit. She is beautiful. I love the warm tones and the colors, as you are about to see in a few seconds. I did slow this part down because I wanted you guys to see the kit and all of its beauty. I mean, look at her. These are all the different skin tones. What drew me to this kit was one, the florals. Yes, y'all know I love my florals. And two, the girl holding the camera. I have missed picking up my camera so much. Since COVID, my photography business has been stale. I haven't done a photo shoot in so long, and I'm anxious to pull my camera back out. I'm actually getting ready to do me, my husband, and my kids' fall pictures, so that will be fun. But I haven't really done anything business-wise, for photography in a long time, and I really, really miss it. So when I saw that camera, I was like, oh, I miss photography. So I'm hoping that once things start to get back to normal, I'm praying for blessings in 2022, and I'm just hoping to get back into it. But here I'm just showing you that my kit is all pre-cropped and ready to go. And let's get into these full boxes. I did not speed this video up at my regular speed. It is, if you've ever edited, you have speed 2 time, 4 time, 8 time, and then I think there's a 10 time. I usually do 8 because my video recordings are really, really long. But this time I did 4. If this is still too fast and you guys are like, Meeks, we don't care if the video is long, we want to see everything that you're doing, just let me know. And then maybe once a month, like 1 out of the 4 plan with me's a month, I will do one slowed down. But this one doesn't look too bad. We'll try 2 times next week and try to give you a little snippet of each thing. But here you saw I took that regular size box and made it into a long box like I normally do with my PlannergirlShack kits. PrintPettiCoatBandit does not do those extended boxes. At least she doesn't do them on all of her kits. So I just stretched it out to make it longer, and I am making my boxes fit to the best that they can fit, at least until I get my my headers, the faux glitter headers up in there. But yeah, this kit did not come with a double box, but I just paired those two together because they look like they were in a similar scene. So the kind of look that I did with my boxes was I did a decorative boxes and a floral box, decorative floral. So that was that. So now I am pulling some of the floral deco, getting it all in there, and I'm getting ready to decorate my date covers. I already have the date covers there with the date dots. So now I'm just decorating a little bit. I won't show this completely because I didn't do a lot of layering per se. But I will try to do that in my next video. Well, my next 2 kits are Halloween themed kits. I don't think there's any florals in those. So my date covers won't be as fancy. Well, I mean, y'all know me. I might find some florals in another kit and add it to this. But I mean, I love my florals. So I've got some stuff in the works that I'm like trying to work on to get it in there. But I did layer those pumpkins with those flowers. These flowers are just so pretty. These colors are like, oh yes, it's getting cold outside. It's, fall, the leaves are starting to fall down, and it's a vibe, and I love it. So I'm just gonna throw up a few of the stickers and or deco, sorry, up there. That I'm pretty sure that is a pumpkin pie. Y'all, I've never had a pumpkin pie ever. I think I said that in my last video. Is it good? Like, should I try it? Should you like me? Stop playing around, try a pumpkin pie. Maybe I'll do a different things to try in November. No, that's my birthday month. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna torture myself in my birthday month. But yeah, I've never tried pumpkin pie, and I've never had the pumpkin spice latte at Starbucks. No, I haven't tried it. So there you see the The date decorations are all done. I even have the October with the overlay from Mini Moments up in the top left corner. Yeah, that's the left corner. Yeah. And now I'm laying down the not foil, glitter headers from PrintPettiCoatBandit. These did come with the kit, and I'm just making the boxes fit. Um, I hope you guys liked last week's video. Excuse me. You guys seem to really give me some great feedback on it. I love helping you guys. I'm looking forward to my next video lesson, answering some more questions. I have not answered like maybe 4 or 5 comments yet, so you probably don't see them down there, but I have seen them. I just haven't answered them yet. I will be answering those today. And there's a couple of more requests in there, so I have to pull out my planner and write them down in my request. I have a request section now in my planner, and I'm gonna go ahead and put those in there and try to fit that request in. I think she wanted to know how I organize my kits and my files. I will show you how I do it. You can probably use any filing system. And I'll try to see if I can get some other digital planner girls to show how they do theirs as well. But yeah, I am working on that video. I have a lot in the works. I need to get on track with going ahead and starting working on next week's video for you guys, because Halloween is coming up. The kids have fall break. Girl, it's a whole thing. So on my sidebar, I'm going to be changing up a few things. You see, magic. I went ahead and finished it, and I didn't put the Monday through Friday tracker, and you'll see close to the end what I label those habit trackers as. So here I have my washi banner, which I did create in Silhouette, but you can make it in here. I just like doing that because I never have enough to put in for the weekend, because I'm really low key the weekends in the mornings, so I like to just put that there. And you see I'm grabbing the weekend banner from Mini Moments and placing that on top. It's so pretty. Oh my god. I have like 2 of her kits in my cart right now that I need to go check out so I can use them with next week's kit. She has a Halloween kit and it's on sale right now. So I'm plugging your shop again. I know you're like, girl. But I just love your shop. So yeah. But I will be adding that with it. I took the foil, it looks kind of metallic, like a metallic header, and I put it on top of my double box here, and here I'm just using the picture. I'm going to try to say what I'm using. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm using the picture to stretch and make this look like it's working. So let's get into the day today. So on Monday, my daughter had to do her well check visit. And she's fine. There's nothing wrong with her. She just had to do her yearly checkup. There's certain vaccinations that you have to get in order to move on to the next grade. She's going to 7th grade next year, so she had to get those. Later on when I took her back to school after that, and then I came home and I went to TJ Maxx because I flat ironed my hair Sunday. If you guys watched last week's video, you saw that, and I said I needed a new flat iron. Well, I went and bought a new flat iron at TJ Maxx, and I also trimmed my ends this day. I was very excited. I was so excited to get this new flat iron because I've had the same flat iron for like 10 years. No lie. Like, I've had the same one because I'm a natural and I flat iron my hair maybe once or twice a year. So that's why they last so long. But I am on a new journey with my hair on trying to maintain the strength and the health of it. I've gotten the length that I want, which is crazy, but that's another story. But I'm trying to make it healthy and make it stronger. I got to do some protein treatments in my hair. So I'm just trying to get all the tools that I need necessary to take care of my hair. It's all a part of my self-care journey. I also retwisted my daughter's hair that day because she had picture day the next day. That morning after I dropped the kids off at school, I went to Starbucks and I got me a caramel ribbon crunch with almond milk, and I only got the whip on the top, not the bottom. If you love caramel and you love the little salted crunches, girl, go try it. Go try it. I'll leave what I get in my drink exactly down below so you guys can go try it out. It's so good. But later on that morning, I got an email alert that my daughter did not return her library books yesterday, that previous Monday. And it was probably because we were at the doctor's office and she just forgot. So I texted her and told her, go return your library books. So, of course, she was late getting to the car at carpool line because she rushed to go to the library because they do not play about late fees. And I always tell her, if you want to check out a book at the library, you can, but if you are late with it, you have to pay for it yourself. It's all a part of my husband and I trying to teach our kids responsibility, and it makes them more aware of what they're doing. And just we're trying to be good parents. You know what I'm saying? Later on that day, I did the screen recording for my previous plan with me, and I answered a ton of questions for you guys, and I really, really enjoyed that video. I'm placing the laptop sticker from the kit. This laptop sticker does come with the kit, and I'm going through my elements trying to find the hanging hearts from Mini Moments. I added it to my elements, which they should just call it favorites. I'm just saying. And then that girl with the glasses is from PrintPettiCoatBandit. She usually comes in all the kits, but I do not believe she came in this particular kit. And now we're moving on to Wednesday. Wednesday, I edited the plan with me in iMOVIE, and I'm just placing down the picture that I have on Instagram along with a foil metallic overlay from Mini Moments. And then I'm just going to add some florals and some hearts from Mini Moments to make it look all pretty. The florals are from the kit from PrintPettiCoatBandit. I really, really love it. And then here I'm also marking down that the kids had a half day. Oh, half days are always so busy for me, y'all. Like, just insanely busy are half days. So I'm just labeling that with some pumpkins from the kit and some florals. And I went on and moved to Thursday because it was half day. So my day was all kids for the rest of the day. Later on, we are on Thursday. Oh, I'm marking down that I had to go and pick my daughter up from school probably about an hour after I dropped her off. She was not feeling good, and she asked me to bring her some medicine. And I was like, no, just come home, relax. Just, she got 3 shots that previous Monday. It was just a busy week, and I'm like, we all need a day, so just come home. You can do your work from home because they get Chromebooks from school. And so she just stayed home that day. And later on that night, I did the voiceover after I finished all of the edits and crops for the video. And then I made Impossible chili for dinner that night, and it was so good. I wanted to do like a tester pot for it before, because I usually make chili every Halloween, and it came out perfect. So we are looking forward to having that again on Halloween nights. It's gonna be great. We're gonna watch Hocus Pocus like we do every year, but it's gonna be awesome. And then excuse me, on Friday I posted the plan with me. It went live that morning, and later on that day I went to TJ Maxx and got some fall candles. And I got some new hair products. TJ Maxx was having a crazy sale on their hair products. I mean, if you ever go to TJ Maxx, check the clearance section before you do anything. Okay, just do that. You know what I'm saying? It's worth your time. So I did that, and then I am just making a pretty little decorative box at the bottom because I just really love doing that now. And then here on Saturday, I am marking that my husband ordered an early birthday present for me, and I will talk about that next week. This prompted me to clean and declutter my glam room, change things around. I'm no longer calling it a she cave. I'm calling it a glam room because this gift that he got me just made it a total glam room, and I'm so excited and I cannot wait to share it with you guys. I will add a picture in next week. I'm obsessed with it. I'm gonna stop talking about it before I say what it is. And then that Sunday I slept in, and then I decided to clean and declutter our master closet. I slept in because I was so tired from cleaning my glam room, and I was like, I'm gonna sleep in. And then later on that day I cleaned and decluttered our master closet, and it's so pretty. So now I think I can probably convince my husband for us to get our closet finally done. We haven't done anything to it since we moved into this house, and well, we did something to it, but just not a lot. So I'm ready to get that all situated. Here, as we come closely to an end, I am marking my self-care and my water intake on my habit trackers. I have been big on self-care, and I will be talking about that a lot. So that's what I've been marking on my sidebars with these, my favorite little hearts from Mini Moments, just to add a little pop to it. And we're coming to an end. I'm just adding some little sparklies to it and making her all pretty. This kit was so beautiful. Again, this is the Autumn Tail kit from PrintPettiCoatBandit, and I absolutely loved it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below. Y'all know what to do. If you got any questions, comments, let me know, because you know I got you. If you need me to show you anything, I got you. If this is a good speed for you guys, let me know. If you're like, no, it's still too fast, let me know. I think there's a way to slow it down, and we'll talk about that in the next video. But I'm just showing you the pretties and the overlays, and just an overlay of what we did. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so fall. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.